What's the meaning of brass? Brass. Brass.
Brass. Brass. Brass typically refers to a yellowish alloy made of copper and zinc. It is often used in the production of musical instruments such as trumpets, trombones, and tubas, as well as in decorative objects, household hardware, and plumbing fixtures. The result of using brass is a durable and corrosion-resistant material that can be polished to a high shine. Brass also has a distinct sound quality which makes it highly desirable for use in musical instruments. Overall, brass is a versatile material with a wide range of applications due to its unique properties.